How to use Instagram Notes feature in 2026. So it's really easy. First of all, simply open your Instagram, make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, what you're gonna do is simply tap on the DM icon right here on the navigation bar. So after doing that, here you can see this is your note and this is where you'll be seeing all of your friends' notes. So if you want to add in your note, what you're gonna do is simply tap on this pop-up that you're seeing on the top of your profile icon. Then after doing that, here what you're gonna do is simply write down whatever you want. So let's just say I'm going to write good morning, right? Just like this. So in here we can also do multiple different things with the font and all. If you simply tap on this paint palette icon that you can see right here, now you'll be able to change the color of this particular note. If you swipe to left, you can also see multiple different colors. Simply select the specific color you want, just like this, then tap on apply. So after doing that, we can also add in few musics, and if you want to, you can also add in location. So let's tap on music icon. Here you can select any type of music you want to add and simply do that. If you tap on this location icon here, you'll be able to simply select a particular location and add it down on your note. If you want to add any sort of GIF, you can also tap on this GIF icon, and in here you'll be able to find all of your stickers and GIF that you would want to add on your notes. So lastly, the final thing that we have is share with friends. If you tap on that one here, you will also be able to share it with just your close friends. If you tap on close friends, now you'll be able to share this note with just your close friends. After doing that, here finally all you need to do is simply tap on share, and just like this you will be able to use your Instagram Notes feature in 2026, and that is it.